Hi guys, welcome to Ral's Inside Jungle channel and welcome to, well, once again you are not on my balcony like you got used to, but you are in front of our aquarium. Actually, my husband's aquarium, one of the two he has. I figured that if you love plants, you're gonna like aquatic plants or an underwater jungle as well. So I want to present you today a beautiful jungle. As you can see, the aquarium is very lush and my husband invested quite a lot of months in getting it to this shape. He's struggling right now with an algae spike, but other than that the plants are doing wonderful. And I'm very proud of his work, and I can tell you that right now the aquarium is in our bedroom and we don't need a TV. So we are watching from our bed the fish and it's very relaxing. Actually, the aquariums in general are recommended as a relaxation method, and also they do humidify the air, right, through the exposure of water that it brings in each room. So they are very healthy and beneficial from multiple points of view. This is, as I said, one of our aquariums, and the occasional work that I do over here is to feed the fish, and that's about that, and to tell him which plants not to trim. He's about to trim these plants over here in the back and these ones because they are reaching the top. So I took the chance to show you the lush underwater garden before he does that. I'm trying to show you my favorite fish. Yes, here it goes. The bloodfin tetra, the transparent one, translucid one, but my camera won't zoom on him. Those are my favorite. We had 6, but they jumped out. Although we have a cover, they do find their way to jump out. And some of them, they simply die, and you can find them because the snails will eat them. But this is the life in an ecosystem, so it's just a cycle of life. And from this very lush underwater garden, I want to go to our second aquarium. Initially, we purchased this little one because we wanted to breed fish, but we ended up just having another type of Aquascape. This is also very relaxing. Actually, I do not know which one is my favorite. I'm trying to debate. I like this one because the different plants are not growing tall. It's like more peaceful, I would say, type of landscape, and it blends in very well with the rocks and with the wood he has over there. And the fish we have in both tanks are called nanofish because they stay small. They don't get bigger than what you see over here. I hope you can see and the light is good enough. So this is another type of underwater jungle. Actually, the first aquarium, it's a jungle. This one, it's just a garden. I hope you do like it, and if you enjoy plants, maybe you will consider one day, if you haven't done so, an aquarium for yourself where you can play with different type of plants. Now, what I want to tell you is that I took the extra plant like this. I forgot how it's called, frog pit, frog bite, something like this. And this is an aquatic plant, right? But I have it on the balcony on a small jar, and it grew out of the jar, and it's adapting its 3 leaves outside of the water. It's adapting it to air and is doing fine so far. I might get you a video, or at least a picture, a little bit later on. So this is how my husband's play with in the weekends. This is his garden, these are his plants. I'm just enjoying the benefits, I'm just enjoying the view. So hope you like it, and please let me know in the comments which one of the tanks you like the most. So this is our small tank, 30 or 40 liters, I guess, if I remember correctly. And this is our 70 or 80 liters. Probably 70 because we have a lot of soil on the bottom, so there is less space for water. Please let me know with a thumbs up that you enjoyed what you see in this video, and my husband will be very happy that somebody will appreciate his work other than me. And let us know which one you like the best, the big aquarium, the jungle, or the small aquarium, the aquascape. Thanks for watching. One more time, if you haven't done so, please subscribe, hit the bell button as well not to miss any weekly video, and green thumbs under the water or above. Bye bye.